today we'll discuss about a public sector bank. The name is Indian Bank. As of we know that government has putting so much effort to recover all the PSU bank, all these things. He started putting money, pumping money, but still it doesn't work. You know why? Because of the operation and all those things. Correct. So today we'll discuss about the Indian bank, all the scenario, financial scenario, all the fundamental scenario, what's happening here, and what the chart saying, what is the technical analysis is saying, and what we can conclude from the technical analysis. So hello friends, welcome to the Market Delight. Let's start our Indian bank journey. So from the start, let us cover the fundamental and the financial as well. Here you can say the market as per the market capitalization, it is a mid cap company, right? Then if you are coming to ROCE, right, that is coming 5.25, right? And if you are comparing with the peers, all the competitor bank in the sector of the public sector bank, then you will get a highest ROCE on from the last 5 years, highest ROCE average from the last 5 years, correct. And the second on the second rank, Canara Banks comes, right. Then in the case of the ROCE, if you are comparing to other public sector bank, then ROCE is good. And here you can say that promoter holding is 88.06%, correct. And if you are going to the investors and you are comparing to the you can see the promoter holding here also 83.46%. If you are expanding this one, then you will get the president of India, government of India is the highest stakeholder, correct. Then if coming to the second, who is the second highest stakeholder, then it will come to the public, correct. Then here, because public have the 7.51% of the stakeholding, correct. And FIH are consistently decreases their stakeholding from the Indian bank. Then when it comes to DII, they are also withdrawing their money, withdrawing their stake from the Indian bank as well. And government has the zero, and public has, but if you can see the chart, if you can see the statistics, you can see that public has increased, public are increasing their stakeholding in the Indian bank, correct. So you can imagine the condition, you can imagine the statistics, and you can imagine the situation of the stakeholding from for the State Bank of, sorry, this is the Indian bank, correct. Sorry for the interruption. And if you are coming to the debt, then it comes to 2.81 crore. But this is not our journey, this is not our calculated data. This will not help us, because this debt is acting as a asset for the bank. Same for the debt to equity is not working for us to analyze the stock, correct. Then place percentage is zero, so there is no problem in case of the place percentage, correct. And as we see, promoter holding as of now, that is 88.06%, correct. And if you are coming to the cash flow, then it shows negative. Why it is negative? Because all the loan comes to the bank with a EMI position, right. So I hope you are understanding the situation. If you are a bank and you are giving some loan to the person, but it comes with a EMI only, right. So that's why the cash flow is negative, you can say. And if I come into the profit and loss statement, it comes that the consistently growing profit up to you can say 2012, you can say. Then after it started decreasing up to 2016. Then directly it doubles, in more about doubles from 2000 on 2017. Then after also started its old journey, its previous journey to the decreasing mode, correct. Then one thing is that from the 380, it comes to 861 on the March. But still, because of its you can say low ROC and bad cash flow, the profit is not making any sense, correct. If you are calculating the, if you are coming to the NPA, non-performing asset of the Indian bank, then it comes that from 2017, sorry, on the 2014, it was 8.8 crore, right. But when it comes to 2020, then it comes to 32,000 crore, near about 6 times higher, correct, in the year of, you can say, yeah, 6 years. From the 6 years, the 6 times higher, you can the NPA has increased for the Indian bank. That's the very bad news, because NPA destroys a bank, as if you know, right? As we know. Then let us come to the technical chart. What the technical is saying, in the case of 5813, it shows a negative trend, correct? And after the crossover, it started moving down in the case of the 1 day. How it is genuine, let us check on the 1 week chart. So what the 1 week says, 1 week shows the same thing, the negative trend. And here it starts to again crossover towards the down, right? So here is also a downtrend. And on the highest time frame, that is 1 month, where we can see that here the downtrend has been broken and started consolidation. If consolidation started, then in the case of the 1 month, you can see the level of 76 if the volume is good for the buying, correct? So here is the hope, only the single hope we can see here, that is the little bit rise on the long term for the, if you can say 2 to 3 months, you can say, correct? So this is the summary of 5813 graph. Let us confirm by other technical chart pattern. On the case of multi-bagger, that is 2200, you can see the negative trend here. And here the reverse triangle is not working properly, and if we are not able to conclude anything good for the long term for the Indian bank, right? Then it comes to, if we're coming to the price action strategy with the Fibonacci retracement, then we can see that the 62.77, that is not broke, right? And here you can say with yes, here you can say that there's a gap up opening, then also gap down opening, and all are covered by 2 to 3 candles here, right? And this green candle has a good intensity, but the lower volume, right? And here there is two green candle has formed below the 62.77, but the volume has not supported. That's why we're still bear on this, we're still bearish on this stock. And if it continues with the lower volume, then it can see the lowest ever, the low point of 42.22, you can say, right? It can come to the 42 level, correct? Then let us come to your divergence has confirmed as well, a good sign, a good confirmation, you can say. Then here you can say lower top, right? Lower top has been formed here on the price segment, and here higher high is formed in volume segment. Then this is a bearish sign, and this is formed from last, you can say, 5.5 months. And its result will be also, you can say, up to some extent like 1 month, right? So here is, we can also conclude for the bearish sign, correct? If we're coming to the Nifty correlation, there is no Nifty correlation working here. And let us come to the Heiken. And we can see the proper knowledge, we can get the proper knowledge from that Heiken and stochastic RSI. And here I'm typing INBA, the code of Indian Bank. Then I'm coming to the proper page. Here you can say that in the case of the 1 day, it is coming to the you can say oversold zone, correct? And if you're coming to the, if you're coming to the 1 week, then it started decreasing, and here the two red candle has been formed. If today, this is you can say on the 24th, I'm shooting this, I'm doing this video. So if this week has been closed with the lower, means in with a red candle, then it confirms its downtrend towards the, as we discussed in the previous, like 42 43, you can see the level, right? And let us see only on the 24th of the 2024 July 2020, if it closes on the red, then it started its bearish journey so soon, right? Then if you are coming to the 1 month here, little bullish sign you can see, the green candle has been formed, but we need to wait for the 30th of July, where it closes, right? If it closes with the green one, then you can see the for the long term there is a green signal for the Indian bank, right? So here is the complete review. I hope you can understand all the thing. If I am coming to the summary point, then fundamental is not so good, and financial is also little bit, you can say, weak, right? NPA is increasing. That's the very bad thing you can say for the bank. And if we're coming to the all the thing like 5813, all the technical charts, all are saying are negative. But in the long term, you can started putting your money, but not now. From now, you can able to see the 42 level, 42 rupees level, and from here you can started your investment as well, right? I hope you can you are able to understand all the information I have provided, and I am still improving my English communication skill, so that I am able to perform you, I am able to deliver you the proper knowledge accordingly. So take care of you, take care of your family, and take care of your portfolio as well. Thank you so much.